Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can repost a story on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and here you need to search for an application that is repost. Click on search, and here you can find an application. I already installed this application in my smartphone. Then you need to go on to the Instagram and open any story. So for example I want to share this, so simply need to click on three dots, click on share and click on copy link. Okay, then you need to go back and open repost application, and it will automatically detect a link, so it will take few seconds to pop up the story. So here you can see that, click on that, and here you can see option add to story, click on that, and here you can see that, and then you need to click on next and click on share. So this is the process by which you can repost story on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.